The cassowary is the most dangerous bird in the world. A cassowary is one bird that can kill an adult human with one blow. It's the most dangerous bird in the world. This bird doesn't fly, has no teeth or tongue, and it mainly eats fruit, but it is very fierce. The cassowary is the second heaviest bird in the world after the ostrich. Female cassowaries lay eggs next to any male they meet and then leave. The male incubates the eggs for 9 months and raises the chicks. Cassowaries live in Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea. Thanks for watching.